ago, there lived a brave and a wise king named Arthur. His kingdom prospered a lot in his reign. He had a brave son. But unfortunately, due to a conspiracy by the neighboring kings and some corrupt ministers, his son was killed. Now his kingdom was left with no successor, and he knew that without a worthy successor, his kingdom would go down the hill. So he consulted his wise minister. The minister suggested that he could choose his successor from his people. But the king didn't know how to choose one from such a huge kingdom. So the minister asked the king to list down all the qualities he was looking for in his successor. The king thought for a while and listed these three qualities, that is, courage, wisdom, and kindness that his successor must have. The minister then suggested a weird thing called as the Moore algorithm. He said that he could build a maze based on this algorithm that would help him filter the candidates. So he created a maze with 3 stages, each stage testing a particular quality as listed by the king, and the last stage having its opening inside the palace. The maze worked in a way that the contestants who passed a stage were promoted to the next one, and those who failed were demoted to the first stage and had to start over again. This meant that the contestant who had courage, wisdom, and kindness would reach the palace sooner as compared to the ones who lacked one or more qualities. As soon as the maze was built, the king announced the competition and declared that the first person to reach the palace will become his successor. On the day of the competition, all the aspirants entered the maze. The first stage tested courage, so they saw many wooden weapons kept outside the door to stage 1. They had to choose any weapon and enter the stage. This stage had many ferocious tigers, so that only the brave hearts and the courageous fellows made it through this stage, while the others were looped onto this stage till they either succeeded or gave up. The second stage tested wisdom. The contestants who entered this stage had to answer a riddle to prove their wisdom. The riddle said that 2 girls were born to the same mother on the same day, at the same time, in the same month and year, and yet they were not twins. How is that possible? If they answered that along with the girls, a boy was born, making them a part of triplets, they would be directed to door 1. Else, they would be directed to door 2, demoting them back to stage 1. Door 1 directed them to stage 3, where kindness was tested. This stage was highly deceptive and so was placed outside the maze. This stage had a farmer whose cart's wheel was stuck in a puddle. Now, if you are in the middle of a competition, would you stop to help the needy? Think for yourself. The one who helped the farmer get the wheel out of the puddle in between the competition would fulfill the quality of kindness, and as a reward, the farmer would direct him to the secret door to the palace, and the rest of the crowd who was behind the wealth would enter the stage 1 of the maze and had to start again. Now the person who enters the maze would have courage, wisdom, and kindness, making him a worthy successor. This is the sequence 111 of the Moore algorithm. Fortunately, via this maze, the king found his successor and they lived happily ever after. But if this maze seemed too easy, we could increase the complexity of the maze by increasing either the number of stages or the number of paths leading out of each stage. This would help in filtering the candidates more efficiently.